Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna download and install Python. So for that we're gonna log into python.org and we're gonna hover over where it says download. So you'll see that Python is available for both Windows and Mac OS. So based on your operating system you can download. Since I'm using Windows, I'm gonna be downloading and installing Python 3.8.3 for Windows. And if you're using Mac OS, then you kind of have the same thing for your operating system as well. So download Python based on what you are using. Okay, so let's get back to the Windows page, and I'm gonna scroll all the way down, and we're gonna download the executable installer. So this is what I have downloaded, and I recommend you download this as well. So I'm not gonna be downloading it again because I have downloaded it off the camera. So now I'm just gonna walk you through the installation. So I'm gonna right click and run as administrator, and yes, I want to run it, and then I'm gonna install it. But before I click on install now, I'm gonna check this box that says add Python 3.82 path. It's very important. Please do not forget to check this box. If you do, then you're gonna have different issues running Python on your system. So now I'm gonna click on install now, and I'm gonna leave everything default, and it's gonna start installing Python in your systems. Probably gonna take some time to complete the installation, so I'm gonna pause and return back when it's done installing. Once the installation is completed, you're gonna see a dialog box like that. So you're just gonna want to click close and close the dialog box. Now we want to verify our Python installation in our system, so I'm gonna open the command prompt, the CMD, and if you have something else like Windows PowerShell, then feel free to use that. This one I'm talking about, feel free to use that by all means, but I'm just gonna stick with the command prompt. So let me zoom in so that you can have a better visual perspective. So I'm gonna type to check the version of Python, I'm gonna type Python space dash dash version and hit enter, and now it will display. If you have successfully installed Python 3.8.3 in your system, then it'll tell you that you have Python 3.8.3 installed in your system. So that's it. We have successfully installed Python in our system. I hope this has been informative and you have learned some valuable lessons. See you in the next lecture. Thanks. Bye.